Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Before I jump in, guys, please do me a favor. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. It'll do me a big favor and it'll help my videos being seen or recommended to other YouTube viewers that are looking to learn how to day trade. But anyways, let's jump in. I hope you guys had a great day. And for me, it was very stressful. So I was very excited to trade today. Very, very, very excited. And I felt like I jinxed myself that, I had a stressful day based on my enthusiasm about getting ready to trade. But nonetheless, I traded today and I was green. I ended up turning out green. But before I became or turned to green, I was actually red. The market was doing okay today in terms of going up, but majority of the stocks I was trading, I don't know, it was no follow through. Majority of them was as soon as I jump in, it bounced back up, and then it's just like I'm in this range of going bouncing from the entry I jumped in and then going up a little bit more, and I'm losing money. And I was just thinking, like, what's going on? And I realized it's just that there are people that still in the market that have fear. Yes, we are in a downtrend in the overall market. As you can see, let's type in SPY. As you can see, we're still on a downtrend. And I know there's still fear in the market. And I think this is why we are not seeing as much follow through in terms of the stock we're trading. And more people actually losing money than actually making money. So I guess I have to really maneuver and change the way how I'm trading going forward while we're in this recession, you know. So one of the things I am looking to do to basically do better in this market or basically lower my risk in this market is to try to trade with smaller size, you know. And what that would do is going to help me to stay into trades longer versus jumping in with a bigger size and I'm not able to withstand the basically the pain from losing. So I'm going to try doing that basically tomorrow. I'm not going to wait too long. I'm do it tomorrow because the way how this market is trading or is operating, it is not reliable in no sense or any type of way, I should say, because you would jump in the stock and then all of a sudden it'll pop up a little bit and then straight rejection. Let me see if I can find the stock I traded today. I traded, where is it? Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, BKSY. I was trading this one today. And yes, you can look at the chart and say, hindsight, it went up. What is the problem? But in that moment, when you'll see people buying the stock, and then it will hit a specific price range, and then it will get stopped and then go back down. So yes, hindsight, you could be like, what are you complaining about? Yeah, the stock went up. But in that moment, I'm telling you guys, it was choppy. And you can't see it here, but based on price action, you will see people propping up the bid. Because in this stock, I was going long. I was definitely going long in this stock. But when I jump in, when I'm looking for the resolution, in terms of instant gratification, I jump in, it go up 2-3 cents, then come back down. Because, like, look at this now. Say if you jumped in here, it went up, then it came back down, and it was just in this consolidation period for at least a good, let me see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45 minutes until it makes that next pop up. Then you get the pop up, then you get the pop down. Then you get another consolidation. It was just choppy for me, guys. It was just so, I was grateful, or I was looking at different stocks that helped me regain my loss and put me back into the green. I traded Lucid today. This one was giving me a hard time. Look at the whips. Look at the like look at the wicks. These wicks are just showing you the whipsaw in the market. Yeah, there was some part or sometimes where it went straight up or straight down, but look at all these wicks. It was very choppy and unpredictable. So I'm hoping you guys did better than I did, even though I did turn up with $285 in profit. I will put I think I do have a screenshot. I have the screenshot right here. $285 in profit, and it is today's date, and it's 6:44 p.m. So this is not fake. I screenshot it because on my platform it shows my account number on the side over here, and I'm not trying to show my personal information in terms of my account. But so I screenshot it and I made a profit of 285. It would have been more if it wasn't so choppy, but you know, enough of the complaining. It is what it is. All I can do is basically maneuver differently and change my entries, or just change the way I'm trading going forward based on the way how the market is actually trading. So like I said, I would be trying to go in with smaller size, trying to figure out what direction the market wants to go and be for certain. And me doing those things in terms of lowering my size that I jump in, it will keep me in the trade longer. So when I do see these have these whipsaw moments in the market, I can actually manage it and stay in the market a little bit longer without being spooked, right? So let's do this again. So I'm gonna smaller size, making sure I'm in the right direction that the market is going, and reading the tape and the level twos, and just being a little bit more careful. And that's all I can do. So if you guys had a good day today, put it in the comment section. Tell me how much you guys made. If you guys don't mind me asking, you know, tell me if you felt like the market was very choppy today. Let me know in the bottom of the comments, you know. So thanks guys for tuning in. I will be making more videos. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I'm locking in and I'm getting busy. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Key Life Trading. I'm out.